Hey, I got something for you.
Oh, that's so sweet. But if you meow for me right now, I'll give you a gift too.
Oh, really?
Just one little meow.
Aw, meow.
Cute. Okay, my gift is...
I'm actually your little kitty, bro.
Oh, what? Nah. Don't ever do that again, bro.
If you want to sound like an e-girl and have girl voice trolls in Roblox, Discord, or Valorant, this video will show you how to do exactly that with the best realistic AI voice changer and have fun voice trolling in Roblox. You can grab this easy-to-use Egirl Voice Changer from the link in the description. It works on Roblox, Discord, Fortnite, and other online chatting platforms. Head to the voice effects library and select Egirl Voice. Adjust your pitch. A slight +5 to +7 pitch makes it sound natural and convincing.
Oh my god, now I sound like a 100% real e-girl.
Finally, choose VoiceWave as your virtual microphone inside Roblox or Discord, and boom.
You're live as an e-girl. Hey, can I sing for you?
Sure, go ahead.
I want to major in music in college, so I need you to give me some feedback on my singing. Just be honest with me.
Wow, really? Sure, I will.
Okay? In the bathroom, we take her outside. She says, don't worry, we won't cross the line.
With more practice maybe, but your voice is sweet.
Oh, sweet.
Thank you, bro.
What?
You're sweeter than me, thank
But
you.
it was real.
So yeah, that's how you sound like an e-girl and troll your friends in Roblox with EaseUS VoiceWave. And if you want variety, there are also anime girl and gamer girl voices in VoiceWave.
You dropped your loot, but I stole your heart.
If you carry me in Roblox, maybe I'll carry your heart too.
Download it, try it out, and let me know in the comments which voice I should troll with next.